Welcome back everybody again. So yes, in this video we gonna continue about the tool in SketchUp tutorial. So yes, in this video we gonna learn about orbit. Yes, what is orbit doing? So orbit is like I doing right now. You can move up and down, or you can rotate and the whole surface of your projects. Yeah, like this is called orbit. So if you miss to uh, and go to the tool, you can make a shortcut like you can use O on the keyboard. Yeah, if your mouse is like this, you can put O and you can start to rotate in the whole building or the whole project that you are doing right now. So another tool is pan. It is a pan or pan that yeah, you can uh, say pan. Yes, pan is move, but like this. If your project is going here, you can touch it, or you can move it around on the whole surface that you want. So that's called pan tool. It's used to move and the whole project left, right, top and down, whatever you want. So yes, for another tool is called zoom. Zoom, for example, yeah, you can go here or zoom in and zoom out. Yes, that's called tool. That's called zoom. Yeah, zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out with your project that you want. So that's called a tool. Yes. Okay. Okay. So another tool is called zoom window. For example, you put here, yeah, like this. Or zoom window. For example, I want to see only this point. Yeah. Or you just want to see this right corner here. Say go on the tool. Yes, like this. So that's called zoom window. Yeah, for another tool is called zoom extend. See, for example, you lost your projects. You don't know where is it. So then you can go to this tool, zoom extend. See, it's go back to your first draw or your first modeling projects. So for example, I lose my projects. I don't know where is it. I cannot find it. So you go to this tool. Yes, it's get back now. Okay. Okay, thank you for this video, and yeah, thank you for watching, and you can see another video, we can do another tool. Thank you.